Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to take a look at the educational section of Fantastico. And basically in the education session we have what are called learning management systems. So if you want to have an online classroom or if you want to have some kind of online university, you can use this software in order to effect that. The most popular software that is both free and open source is called Moodle. We're going to actually look at a similar software which is called a Tutor. So to get started, we're going to click a Tutor. And as you can see, a Tutor does have forms available. It is open source and it's really made for those who want to teach online courses, have administrators, teachers, and students. And so to get started, we're going to click this blue button. What we're going to do with a Tutor is we're going to put this in a certain directory. We're going to give it a username, password, email address, and then we're going to create an account as well as to name the site. And now we have all of our details in. We're going to click Submit. Once we have all of our details in, we're going to click Proceed. Once you do that, you can then head to the site with your credentials. And of course, to configure the software, you are going to want to lean on the support and the community. And you'll find all of that information on the software landing page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.